Hello, Vanakkam, Namaste, Salam Alaikum. Welcome to another video, guys. I am AJ390 and it's finally here. We are about a week away from a very big ride, at least for me. Well, so today is the day where I will be packing all my stuff and sending it across with my bike. So let's get started.
Here we go.
So if you're looking at all this stuff here, everything is going to go with the bike. So we are sending the bike tomorrow, that is on Wednesday. So by the time you're watching this video, or maybe by the time you're watching this video, my bike is already gone, which I will also share a video for. But for now, these are the things we are carrying from the back. We have my Scorpion helmet, which has the Senna. Even Raj has a Senna, so we are connected always. I have my waist pouch here, which I will be carrying every time, which will have my documents, my wallet and all my ID proof. That's my laptop bag, so that's where this is my laptop right here, this one, and that will go in there. So the laptop and the other electronics, I'm not sending it with the bike because obviously I'm going to need it until I start my ride. So apart from that, these are the few things which will be going with the bike. The toolkit, this is a screwdriver toolkit, and like you guys just saw on the B-roll there, this is another all-in-one toolkit. Yeah, let me close it back. Done. And here's the toolkit that comes with the bike. Chain brush, chain cleaning brush. This is the gear lever, the brake lever, because you know what, sometimes the bikes can fall off during an off-road ride, and then we might have to change it, so you never know. The toiletries are all right. Call in for cleaning the helmet. Lots of nuts and bolts and clamps in case we need it. In case, I'm sure we wouldn't be needing it, but just in case. Some zip ties, yeah, comes very handy. M-seal, again, these are all for like jugaad stuff, you know, in case anything happens, we have it ready. Right here we have a bungee cord. All right, and this is my rain gear, my the upperwear, and this is the bottom one. Alright, so let's come back here. These are some of my clothes. This is something which you guys shouldn't be seeing, that is to keep some of my things intact. Alright, and one of the most important thing is when you're traveling for such a long distance, or you know, for so many days, you wouldn't want to carry about 15 or 20 t-shirts. So if you see here, I'm just carrying about 8 t-shirts. Yeah, that's about it. And these are all dry fit t-shirts, which means in case we need to wash these, it's going to dry out very fast. And we also have a chain clean and some bike oil. That's about it. So you guys may be wondering why I'm not carrying the chain loop. That's because Raj is carrying the chain loop. We're not carrying everything you know, double, because it's going to occupy space. Okay, the room is actually a little messy, guys, so please bear with me. There's a lot of things that we are doing right now, and packing and everything. So once everything is done, I think it's going to be in place. But for the bags, if you see here, these are the Vietra Velox saddle bags. If you guys can see it, yeah. So on one side I'll have all my spares and all the bike related stuff, and on the other side I'm going to have my my toiletries, my clothes and everything. Apart from that, I'm also carrying one of the most favorite bags from Vietra, which is the tank bag. Yeah, so the reason why I'm carrying a tank bag is to keep a few of my electronics here, like a charging cable, the GoPro batteries, my DSLR, which I'm vlogging right now on, which has the Rode mic and the Joby Gorilla Pod. So that will go into this, so that I have easy access on the bike. Yep, so when I stop and I have to remove the camera, I can do this. Perfect. Apart from that, there's nothing else going into this bag. It's going to be it's going to need a lot of space, basically because of the DSLR. And last but not the least will be this bag which I got from Decathlon, which is the Keshua hiking bag. You also have I mean, not exactly a laptop compartment, but yeah, man, it serves the purpose. You have a nice compartment here. I have a nice small laptop, so that will get inside over here, and yeah, everything seems to be good. I've used this bag in the past on the last ride, which was the Kerala ride, if you guys haven't seen it. So this was pretty good, came in very handy, and you don't feel the weight actually when you're wearing it. And what else? Oh yeah, I forgot to show you something. So if you guys were wondering what is this inside my tank bag, this is actually a dream catcher that was given to me by Pillion Prime, so it's going to be there forever. Cool. Now, most important, you guys might be wondering what are the riding gear. He's not showed us any of the riding gear. Very, very important stuff. Without the riding gear, we are not stepping out for a single day in the mud. So we have some really good stuff. We're carrying some really good riding gear. Let me show you that. As far as my riding gear is concerned, there is this one brand which I've always loved, and I would highly recommend you guys to use this brand or buy products from this brand. I'm not promoting this brand by any way. I'm not paid to do it. Neither am I sponsored by the products, but I would love to someday. Anyways, look at these Rhinox gloves. Yeah, so these are a new pair of gloves. Thank you, Pillion Prime. They're really helpful for this ride. Well, I also have another pair of Rhinox gloves. These are the exact same gloves as the new ones what you see on my right, but these are slightly worn out, about 1.5 years, and I've literally used it in rains, summers and whatnot. And by the way, every day. Yeah, so every day of use, the gloves are still intact. They're absolutely fine. And just for the ride, I have these new gloves, so I'm going to use them. Now, what is next? It's Rhinox again. I have my Rhinox Storm jacket, which I've never worn till date because I just got it the previous week, the last week, and I hadn't had a chance to wear it on a ride. So this is how the jacket looks. Yeah, pretty good, neat stuff. Yeah, so there will be a proper review of this particular jacket once I use it in this for this particular ride. I don't want to just give a normal review video by saying this is what the jacket has, this is what the jacket can do. Let me test it out on all perfect conditions out there and give you guys a good review. Whew. And the last thing will be my riding pants. Yeah, my riding pants, which is the AGV Sport. Pretty good riding pant, budget ones, which I've been using for almost 3 years now. Really good stuff. Last, it's here. Yep, these are my Keshwa boots, the waterproof boots, which I'll be using. Now, the reason why I'm not carrying, investing money in a riding boot is because when you go to such places, there's no point in you taking a riding boot. That's because you would be trekking, you would be going to other places, walking, going to other places basically, but you wouldn't be wanting to wear your riding boots and going everywhere, right? And you can't carry these elephant shoes in your saddlebag or your backpack. It's going to take up a lot of space. Yeah, so I think that was all I covered in this particular video. And if you guys are wondering what I would be wearing with these, will again just be my dry fit stuff, my skins, and everything is going to be dry fit because it's going to be easy for us to wash it and it will dry out very fast. And yeah, most important thing guys, there will not be much videos for the next 15-20 days at least, because I'll be shooting all the videos and not be editing it on the go, because obviously there's not going to be enough network. The reason I'm taking my laptop is so that I can transfer all my files to my hard disk. Now let me tell you what the ride plan looks like. Alright guys, the ride plan is really simple. If you want to take a guess, let me know in the comment section down below, because I don't think I want to reveal the location or the destination right now. Let me give you a very big clue. It is not Ladakh. It is not Leh Ladakh. Yeah. So most of you guys had pinged on Instagram when I posted my stories stating that yes, you're going to Delhi, so you might be going to Ladakh. Not really. So the actual plan here is tomorrow we are sending the bikes to Delhi via Gati, and I will upload a separate vlog for that. So the bikes should take about 6-7 days to reach our destination, and on the 22nd of July we start our ride. So the plan here is there'll be no videos. There'll be just 3 videos before the ride, that is this one, and the next one will be the bike going off to Delhi. And once we reach Delhi, I will make a vlog and update all of you guys. After that, there'll be no videos at all for the next 15 or 20 days. But I can promise you some really kick-ass shots. The most important thing which I always forget to tell in my videos are please follow me on my Instagram, because I will be uploading constant updates and stories on my Instagram handle, which is AJ_390. Don't forget to follow, guys, if you want to see all the action. I'll be uploading stories, live videos and pictures and everything else which you will not be seeing for the next 15-20 days. So follow me on Instagram again, which is AJ_390. You would see it at the end of the screen. And as always, guys, ride hard, ride safe. And if you guys are riding anywhere out there in that particular location, which I will reveal in the next video, I will see you guys soon. Until then, ride hard, ride safe. Peace.